what's taking so long?
Well, there are no screws in this,
What?
so this tool is useless.
What?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just like stuck in there.
Like with glue?
Yeah, that, or maybe some sort of weird tape. It might also just be jammed in there.
All right, well, here, I'll unjam it.
Whoa, hey, don't, okay? You'll make it mad.
What? No, nonsense. Get out of here. Ah, damn it.
See, I told you. Now you made it mad.
It's not mad, it's broken.
We have upset the doorbell gods, Rob, okay? Now we're gonna have to make a sacrifice. I'm gonna go get the neighbor's dog.
No, sacrifice, you idiot.
If I'm an idiot, then you're a jerk.
You know what? You're a jerk.
You.
Yeah, you.
You dumb asshole.
Listen, you son of a...
You wouldn't dare talk about my mother.
Oh, I'll absolutely your mother.
Rob, it's been ringing for 30 minutes. I mean, just cut a wire already.
Yeah? Pop quiz, hotshot. Which wire?
Is that your hopper?
Yeah, you like it?
It's great.
Thank you, I've been working on it.
Yeah, it sells. I mean,
been
I
watching
can
a
tell.
lot of his
It's
stuff. I
fantastic.
appreciate
Yeah,
that.
it's so good. Hey, man, you were really sweaty down there.
Well, I was very nervous.
Well, you have nothing to be nervous about. Your dentist hopper is dynamite.
Oh, thanks, buddy. I
What are you
appreciate
doing here?
Becoming best friends again?
that. Yeah.
Who are you?
Oh, we're the handymen you hired. We fixed your doorbell. You're welcome.
I didn't hire you.
Yeah, you did. This is 1012 West Berwyn. Right?
This is 1512 North Ashland. You're way off. You guys broke my doorbell. And you broke into my house.